Have you been struggling with eye strain or blurry vision lately? No need to worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through simple tips to ease eye strain and improve your vision using a natural approach. What causes bad eyesight? Aging. As we grow older, the lenses in our eyes lose flexibility, making it harder to focus. This can lead to conditions like presbyopia, which affects close-up vision. Genetics. Some people are born with a predisposition to poor vision. Conditions like nearsightedness or farsightedness can run in families, making them more likely to experience these issues. Eye strain. Spending long hours in front of screens or reading can strain the muscles of your eyes, leading to blurry vision or headaches. Health conditions. Conditions such as diabetes or high blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in your eyes, leading to vision problems over time. Lack of protection. Exposure to harmful UV rays without proper eye protection can damage the delicate tissues in the eye, increasing the risk of cataracts or macular degeneration. How to reverse eyesight problems at home. Taking care of your eyes is more than just about using glasses or seeing the doctor for an eye checkup. It's about nourishing and protecting your eye health through a balanced lifestyle and the right support. A combination of nourishing foods, herbal remedies, and proper eye care can make a world of difference in maintaining long-term eye health. The good news is that herbal supplements have been shown to improve vision clarity and reduce eye strain naturally, helping to support eye health over time. Best treatments for eyesight problems. If you're looking for a way to support your eye health and improve your vision naturally, eye light capsules are a fantastic option. These capsules are crafted with a unique blend of herbal ingredients that work together to maintain clear, sharp vision and alleviate the discomfort caused by eye strain. Regular use of eye light capsules helps to nourish the eyes, reduce fatigue, and provide the necessary nutrients for better ocular wellness. Whether you're spending hours in front of a screen or want to improve your overall eye health, these capsules are a great addition to your routine. Eye light capsules. What you need to know. How should I use eye light capsules to get the best results? To get the most out of eye light capsules, take one capsule twice a day after meals with a glass of water. Regular, consistent use helps improve vision clarity and reduces eye strain, leading to long-term eye health benefits. Are eye light capsules safe for long-term use? Yes, eye light capsules are made from high-quality, natural ingredients, ensuring safety for long-term use. With no artificial additives or harmful chemicals, they provide a gentle yet effective way to maintain eye health without causing any side effects. What are the main benefits of eye light capsules for eye health? Eye light capsules are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients that support eye health. These capsules can improve vision clarity, reduce fatigue, and protect the eyes from oxidative damage, promoting long-term ocular wellness. Can eye light capsules help with eye strain from prolonged screen use? Absolutely. Eye light capsules are specifically designed to alleviate digital eye strain. They help relax tired eye muscles, reduce discomfort from screen time, and promote overall eye health, making them an ideal choice for those who spend long hours in front of digital devices. Natural remedies to improve eyesight naturally. Carrot consumption. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots are a well-known remedy for improving eyesight. This vitamin A-rich vegetable helps maintain healthy vision and supports the retina, preventing night blindness. Regular eye exercises. Just like any other muscle, your eyes benefit from exercise. Try focusing on distant objects to strengthen eye muscles and reduce strain. It's a simple daily habit that can make a noticeable difference. Herbal teas. Certain herbs like bilberry and ginkgo biloba are believed to support eye health. They help with circulation and may improve night vision, offering a natural way to keep your eyes sharp. Proper hydration. Dry eyes can lead to discomfort and blurred vision. Drinking enough water throughout the day ensures that your eyes stay hydrated and function at their best. A balanced diet. Eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. Foods like spinach, kale, and sweet potatoes can improve your eye health and prevent long-term issues. Limit screen time. Excessive screen time can cause digital eye strain. Taking regular breaks can make a big difference. Try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. By consistently using eye light capsules for 3 months, you can improve your eyesight, reduce eye strain and fatigue, and nourish and protect your eye health. For anyone looking to improve eye health, reduce strain, and improve vision clarity, eye light capsules are a natural and effective solution. You can easily purchase them from naturogain.com to start your journey toward healthier, more comfortable eyes. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss the next video on how to treat weak eyesight and improve eye vision naturally.